Okay. Well, it's still Friday, so I'll give you they're gonna be absent. Friday. Okay. It has to be done by Thursday. You're gonna get the grade. Okay. Hi. Can I do for you? You can finish an assignment. What assignment? This one? No. Which one? This one? Both? Well, do you have a pass? No. But you need one in order for you to not do one of these. But the higher grade is this. This one is the higher grade. This you can skip as long as you get done page 367. That's the page you don't want to do, then you gotta do both. You can do page 366. No, you can do 367, but just you don't have to do 366. I know the principal said. I know the janitor is vacuuming. Okay. So, I know the principal said that you need to do everything in this book when she came in, right? You don't. That doesn't go for us. Since we're a small class, we don't need to, so it's fine. I don't really care. As long as you get them this book, then you're fine, really. I know the 2 books are a lot, but the thinner book you don't need to get done, which is stupid, but I have it be the book and book sheet. No. I don't want you to do this stuff, but I have to because there's a certain amount of grade that the principal has to give us here, so we'll have to go. The amount of grades they will for with the summer. Oh wait, are you signing up for summer class? Yeah, you are. So that's why you have to get done all of this work because you're going to be in the summer class. So we have to prepare you for the summer classes. Why did your parents sign up? I know. I can't really make up that one, seriously. To be honest, I hate summer class. When my mom and dad's, when I was little, my mom and dad signed me up for those. I hated it. But the point of summer, that means no more school. I mean, sometimes you have to go to summer school, which is kind of annoying. Why am I eating? Want one? Mentos. Orange and strawberry. Which one? Strawberry. Thank God. I love orange, and I so really gonna take orange. I'm gonna have one more orange. I'm fine. I'm here. I'm fine with you having gum in class, as long as you don't like put it on your desk. Like, yo, I hate to that. As long as you don't get it on your desk, under your desk, and as long as you don't get it on your work in the paper. But overall, I think it really helps you like read faster. faster. So I try giving it to the people who have bad breath. I do. I think I have bad breath, so whenever I I'm talking to them, I put this in my mouth just in case. But yeah. Okay, so back to it. So yeah, really. I mean, I could talk to the principal. I can get you a new book. Because you're doing great in class. I don't really see why you need summer school, why you need this, that, all of that, like, stuff. Like, I really think you're doing good. I really do think so. Yeah. I'm not giving you any homework. Like, I'm not telling you to read because I know you read. Like, I know you do that. I know. But when I teach my big class, I assign some homework. I'm not going to do that here because I know you don't need it for sure. You don't need it. So I'm usually going to just give it to people who need it and who don't need it. So you're not going to be wasting your time. You know what I'm saying? What grade are you going to? 7. I know it's hard. Oh wait, what grade? What? What's up? What grade? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Well, I do what I gotta do. Yeah. Alrighty. See you later. Oh my gosh. No. So you know me, I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th.